Slow internet, suspicious activity, these could be signs that your Wi-Fi network has been compromised. Your Wi-Fi might be hacked. Unauthorized users can slow down your connection, access your personal data, and even use your network for illegal activities. But don't worry, here's the simplest way to find out. No tech skills needed. You don't need to be a tech wizard to secure your network. Alright, let's dive into it. We'll walk you through the steps to ensure your Wi-Fi is safe and sound. Step 1. Check connected devices. This is the first and most crucial step in identifying if someone is piggybacking on your network. First, log into your router's web interface. This is where you can see all the devices connected to your network. It's usually an IP address you type into your browser. Common addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Check your router's manual if you're unsure. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Devices Connected. This section lists all the devices currently using your Wi-Fi. Take a look at the list. Identify each device. Your phone, laptop, smart TV, and any other smart devices should be on there. See a name you don't recognize? That's a red flag. If you spot an unfamiliar device, it could mean someone is using your Wi-Fi without permission. Step 2. Change your Wi-Fi password. This is crucial. A strong password can prevent unauthorized access. Secure your Wi-Fi with a strong password. Make sure it's something hard to guess. Avoid common words, birthdays, or pet names. Use random, non-sequential characters. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. And don't forget to update it regularly. Changing your password every few months adds an extra layer of security. Step 3. Monitor activity regularly. Keeping an eye on your network can help you catch any suspicious activity early. Make it a habit to check your connected devices monthly. Set a reminder on your phone or mark it on your calendar. This keeps hackers at bay and your Wi-Fi safe. Regular monitoring ensures that your network remains secure. Did you find this helpful? We hope these steps make it easier for you to secure your Wi-Fi. Smash that like button and share this with someone who needs to secure their Wi-Fi. Sharing this information can help others protect their networks too. Subscribe for more simple tech tips. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow guides to keep your digital life secure.